Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 23rd of May. Taurus, we are in Gemini season. Okay, so a lot of talks, a lot of communication, a lot of things may be said that may offend you, but at least it's the truth. Okay, Taurus, your channel message is 3 of Cups, Aquarius, evil. So I'm getting there's some evil ass bitches around you. I'm getting they're women. I'm getting who I do this to you is not man. I'm getting men may take the orders of the women in order to continue doing this evil act to you. But I'm getting the shit it start because of 3 women. Taurus, either 3 jealous women, 3 women who somehow got access to controlling your life. I'm getting the evil shit. I'm getting either evil sisters, or I'm getting 3 women who are in your life. Three of them. I'm getting them is the one who put you through the most sinister, evil ass shit, and them do it in front of the world for make the world see. Because Aquarius rules the people. I'm getting a lot of people saw what you went through. A lot of people saw the nastiness and the evil things that happened to you. It was caused, or it's being orchestrated by 3 women. It could be lesbians, and if it's not lesbians, it's 3 women who you don't fuck with and you'll never fuck with. So let's go, Taurus. Now these women could be closer to you than you think, or these women could, I'm getting a 3 of them. 3 evil bitches who probably has bad body odor and them edges can blood clot grow. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Taurus. The Bull. We have the 8 of Wands, 8 of Pentacles. I also want to say something, Taurus. Remember how you control the stock market. You see, in the stock market, bulls mean you can buy, right? Bulls mean an increase. That means the stock went up. Bears mean a decrease. The stock went down. Now, what happens when you have a lot of stocks who either not selling or you need to sell at a higher price? What you do, you trick the market. You make the market go in a bear direction so that everybody who had this stock could sell it. Because we don't want to lose money, and everybody freaks out when they're losing money. If you ever see me in the woods with a bear, help the bear. Because that bitch gonna need it, right? So what the elites do, or what Silicon Valley does, is that when they need a certain stock to increase or they need a certain stock to sell, they'll deliberately make the market go into a bear so that everybody who had the stock them want can sell it. And you know what else happened? It got right back up to bull. Where the stock, where you know how much people it sell Bitcoin? A lot of people was like, if I bought 1 Bitcoin today, I would have been rich. No, motherfucker, you wouldn't have been rich. Because when Bitcoin would have been the amount, that's not what it is today, you'd have sell it already. So just be mindful. Sometimes the bear, it also helps the bull. Because now you have a company that's going through financial strains, so you sell out the whole of the blood clot stock and you call it bear. But guess what? The company got a new investment, an offshore investment, and now the same stock you just sell for $1, it went up to 500 mil. So the 8 of Pentacles, you have a lot of things holding on to that you're not selling, and everybody's like, why you don't sell it? Why you don't sell it? You're holding on to it for a reason. You know, like how Dave Chappelle held on to his comedy specials because Comedy Central wanted to buy Dave Chappelle for $50 million, and then Dave Chappelle ended up running to Africa and then coming back and then recording 3. Because when Dave Chappelle did run to Africa, what was he worth? He was worth $50 million to Comedy Central. He was in the bulls. And then when he reject the $50 million, because he know the $50 million came with a slave master, he run go Africa. He was worth $0. He was minus because he needed money to basically fund that medical bill, since everybody thought he was a fucking him that got mad. When Dave Chappelle came back to America, he recorded 3 comedy specials, even though Hollywood did deem him as worth in $0. He sold 1. Hold on. So I think he sold one of the specials for 23.6 mil without ownership to Netflix. So him could have taken the 50 mil but be owned for how much years? Be owned as in him image, what him say, what him do, which political party him stand for. If Dave Chappelle did sell out for 50 million with Comedy Central, he couldn't be talking shit about Donald Trump today. He left and he came back. And when he came back and recorded 3 specials, him sell Netflix 1. Actually, Netflix bought The Closer for 24.1 mil. Then Netflix did buy Sticks and Stones for 23.6 mil, which is almost 50 mil. But him get to keep him blood clot sold. So you should know when bears should play a part and when bulls play a part. Because Dave Chappelle could have been a bull with 50 million being a slave. He decided to go down the bear trail and went back onto the bull trail, and now he make 50 million with 2 recordings and he keep that for himself. And he's a free agent. So we have the 8 of Pentacles. Them want you sell something and you're like, nope, nope, nope. Perhaps it's who them want you the business with. Maybe they want you to do business with anybody and you're like, no, I don't do business with anybody. Maybe it's tarot, you don't read for anybody. Yeah, but you can make so much money, yeah. And my fucking energy can be corrupt as well. The 8 of Pentacles is clarified by the Leo card, yeah. You have a lot of spotlight, a lot of media, maybe a lot of people want your services. That's great that a lot of people want your services. That don't mean you'll give your services to everybody. Especially if you're doing something like tarot. Your pictures are refused who you get services to. Know that. So yeah, girl, I read for everybody, and everybody if you take money from. Anyways, me getting your work is being put on display. Me getting your work is being, me getting them a shine light on your work, okay? We have the Hangman. We have the 4 of Cups, and we also have here with Cetia. I'm getting 3 bitches who has been doing this to you. I'm going to show you. I tell you, I'm going to show you. Taurus, 3 of Cups. 3 of Cups. 3 of Cups. Taurus, 3 of Cups. We have Evil, we have Aquarius. 3 of Cups. We're getting 3 women. I don't know if you're your sister. One of the women is a Sagittarius. The other one is a Leo. The other one may be a Capricorn. So it could be Earth, Sagittarius, Leo, and Capricorn. Because I'm getting, maybe somebody don't want you to know how much people are watching or how much people actually want to pay for your services, so you get discredited and leave. You're like, I've been doing this so long. Have you been doing it for 5 years? Okay. So even if you're doing something for 5 years and you're not making no money, believe me, you build your name. Your net worth will go up. Your net worth have nothing to do with how much money you have in your pocket. Your net worth is if somebody's supposed to buy you on a whole, buy you with your gifts, that's your net worth. No, people don't get paid them network on a regular basis. Them usually live off the money them can make while them trying to provide a service. We're getting 3 women who has been doing something to you because them want you walk away from this. But me getting, they can't break your soul. They can't break your soul. They can't break your soul because perhaps you never sell your soul. That's why you don't have the money. Your soul has not been sold. You might not have the money, but you have the clout. Believe me, the money have to come either way. The 3 of Cups. We're getting 3 bitches been doing this to you. Or because they don't want to work with them. Because see, we have the 4 of Cups. We have the 4 of Cups. 1, 2, 3. The 4th one is being shown. 1, 2, 3. Maybe somebody want you to be a part, like a 4. The group is 4 women. Tell them say no blood clot work with that. I have 2 other women in mind that I would work with, to be very honest with you. And that would calculate us up to a 3 women, which would have been a trine. But me getting, you know, want to work with the girl them. Or the girl, all three of them. Can you imagine you're one girl and three bitches? Three of them, three bitches. If you push them together, them can make a fridge. Three bitches coming together for bully you. Or for stop you, or for sabotage you. Beginning is because you don't want to work with them. Or you're going to be carrying the class project. Why the fuck are you going to work with these bitches? We're getting a 3-woman out of this deal. Either 3 sisters or 3, I don't know. We're getting 3 women. Them know each other. The 8 of Pentacles is clarified by the 3 of the 33. Yeah, me getting you don't want to give them a service. Maybe you don't want to return for them. Maybe you don't want to collaborate with them. Yeah, tell them for collab. Why is it that it's 3 of them and them still can't blood clot take off? 3 bitches sponsored by Duracell batteries and KY jelly. 3 of them come together and them still can't blood clot take off. Why them think them going to take off when the 4th one join? So the 4th one stand alone and can't take off alone, but the 3 bitches combined together that make up the blood clot weight of a truck. 3 heads together, them still can't blood clot take off. Them need you. Or apparently it takes 3 bitches. It takes a breakfast bitch, a lunch bitch, and a dinner bitch for try to stop you. The strength card is clarified by the Knight of Wands. Me getting them try to stop you with magic. Them try to send one man for can't stop you. Me getting nothing to distract you. The Hangman is clarified by the 9 of Cups. The 4 of Cups is clarified by the 10 of... Yeah, me getting the next thing them gonna try for do I get you pregnant. They need you to stop. Or apparently you alone competing against these 3 bitches is competition. They need to get rid of you so 3 of them can stand up. I don't know what the fuck this is. I'm not sure why 3 bitches put together still can't make up for the blood clot team project. They need you. They need one more. It could be a family members. The 10 of Cups is family. I'm getting 3 sisters or 3 women who... I'm getting 3 women who has been doing this deal. One more. 3 of Cups is clarified by the 2 of... Yeah, I'm getting a turn your back on them. Maybe you relocated, you leave them alone. I'm getting a relocate, you leave them, yeah, you went ghost. And you not talk to them no more. And them I try to latch on to you some way, somehow. I don't fuck with y'all. I don't. And they know you don't fuck with them. That's why they make your life a blood clot hell. Sweetie, that pussy is hell. Ask the man who fucking on you. The 3 fucking period cycles sync together, and with all those fucking period blood, they still couldn't perform magic properly. We have 3. I tell you, it's a 3 blood clot, girl. 3 girl, 3 bitches, 3 ugly, overweight, unattractive bitches. 3 of them. 3 of Cups. The 3 of them. I mean, getting them must want you for join them. No, bitch. Stay together with your pussy orders. We have Taurus. Perhaps you're the 4th one. And it's 3 women. Me getting 3 of them might be... I don't know if 3 of them are water sign, you're Earth. Taurus. Are we not doing Taurus reading? Yeah, Taurus. The 3 bitches are ganganating Taurus because Taurus doesn't want to work with you. Yeah, because Taurus can build an empire themselves. They don't need y'all shit to do it. We have curse. Yeah, the bitches are cursed, just like how them baby daddy cursed them. 2 more. We have mental health. I'm getting these bitches watch you in a group and then talk about you every fucking day. If only they could be as talented as you. And we have Virgo. Not sure if the Virgo is 1. We have Virgo and Taurus here. I don't know if the last one is a Capricorn. I don't know if you're your sisters. But all I know is you're like, I don't fuck with those bitches. Yeah, I don't fuck with them. They're not invited. They will not be let in. Yeah, we don't fuck with those bitches. So tell them they can go scissors each other and leave it the fuck alone. I'm gonna leave it here. Taurus. Taurus. Until next time. Bye.